Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We're now going for a lovely little ride in our 1978 Jeep CJ-5. Definitely a nice Jeep here at Skyway Classics, as it is to myself. Coming to you with a brown exterior. Does have some gold and orange decals on it. Does have the Renegade thing going across the top. I do want to mention that it does have the lovely tan takeoff top, as well as the plastic doors with the plastic windows, so you never have to worry about getting mugged, robbed. But more importantly, just sticking out your head out the window to have a good time. Having the chrome style rally wheels. I believe it does have a spare in the back, which is also nice to have. Moving on to the interior now, having that tan and chrome combination there. As you can see, they did a wonderful job here. The gauges are all working as they should. It is a 3-speed manual on the floor. One of the nice touches they added here was they have a 2-knob radio with cassette. Also, addition to the nice speakers in the back. Bucket seats, very nice. Underneath the hood is just as clean as it is. Right now we can give you a little bit of a brake test, as we do have our lovely little social media girl Sally Grace doing a wonderful job. And no, this does not go back to the basis of all girls want a Jeep. However, she could tell you from opinion that this is a nice Jeep. Sally, what do you think about this lovely Jeep?
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Would you own it? See, even she can drive it. And no, that does not go back to the fact that most people can't drive stick nowadays. But other than that, it is a wonderful Jeep. If you'd like to see more cool cars, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at that YouTube channel. Take a look at, hopefully not the girl to my left burning rubber. But yeah, right now let's turn around, get up on the lift.